All right, everyone. How you doing? Gil here at graymanprepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk about something a little bit different. This isn't dealing with items and stuff. This is dealing with knowledge. Oh yes, I'm getting in deep here. The knowledge I want you to check out is your power needs. You need to know how much power you need to get by in an emergency, or when the power grid goes down, whether it's because a storm has blown a tree over on a power line, or ice is built up on them and they've shorted out, or whatever the reason is, power's out. You need to know how much you need minimally to get by so you don't lose any of your stuff in your refrigerator, your freezers. If you have medical equipment, you can power that medical equipment, such as a CPAP or an oxygen concentrator, whatever it is. All right. So get a notepad or a file card. Get one of those power meters. I've talked about them before. There's different ones. There's the kilowatt one where you actually plug the equipment into it. So you like plug in your refrigerator, plug it in, plug your refrigerator into it. It tells you how many watts your refrigerator needs. And it actually tells you on your microwave how many watts it actually uses. So find out what you really need for your refrigerators, your freezers, your CPAPs, your whatever you absolutely need to live. All right? Get it checked out, find out what you need, and once you have that amount, then you can check out some of my other videos on portable power stations or generators, and you can figure out exactly what you're going to need that's going to work best for you in your situation so you can survive. All right? And so before I take off, I'm going to put a link to a video up here. I'm going to put a playlist down here. I'm going to put another video over here. I'm going to put a link to my other channel, Camp Pat and Family Compound, up here. Take care.